In the previous videos, we've covered how the internal supply chain management is managed, and that is built or orchestrated upon a transaction management foundation, which is the ERP. What we're going to see next is how the organization relates to its suppliers and its customers by means of specific systems, which are called obviously SRM and CRM. When it comes to the supply relationship management systems, what we typically have is a set of functions like those described in this chart. For example, we can collaborate in terms of design, like sharing uh, features, requirements, developments, and everything that allows suppliers and manufacturers or those involved in creating some new product to be able to get ready for the production phase in a more convenient manner. Because if they share information when it comes to design, they will be able to produce more efficiently in the future, and they will be able to do so in a more smoothly way. In addition to that, there can be functionalities regarding to sourcing. I mean, we can have tenders, requests for proposals, all the processes involved with companies trying to get a contract and offering their own proposals, and eventually the one who operates as customer decides who to go with as a future supplier for a given sub-assemblies or component or whatever it is. We can also have functionalities regarding negotiation, where you have a tender and several applicants have provided with their their proposals. You can renegotiate prices, scopes, out of scopes, and things like that, so that you'd eventually have an option you are comfortable with. And of course, you can have functionalities related to the operational activities. If you have already a supplier, you need to launch orders, to place orders with the supplier, and the supplier has to provide you with the products you're going to use, and there are all functionalities related to that. And finally, you can have other types of functionalities related to collaboration in a more general manner. For example, uh, a manufacturer can share information with a given supplier, not in the very short term, but in the following week, so that the supplier can get ready for supplying with which actually will be needed in the future when the customer requests it. This we have here is an example of an old platform still in working order, which is, I'll show you in a minute, uh, a portal that was first established, as you can say in the website that you have, the link links you to this website. This was first established by Chrysler, Ford, and General Motors to have a platform where they can share the information. And more companies, tier one, tier two suppliers, joined it so that they could exchange information in a safe way, so that the whole supply chain could work smoothly. So it's evolved, and now, for example, you can have these companies here, which are very big companies in the automotive industry, have their own portal within the organization. So this is a nice example of how different companies cooperate so that the supply chain can work um, properly. And this is mainly what a supply relationship management system provides you with, and the different functionalities they typically can offer.